Welcome back, everybody. We have just received another package from the 3D printing giant of Zellerfeld. This time with a silhouette from Studio Xose, a footwear creator and somebody that I've had a relationship on Instagram with for a very long time, but have never actually met them. And so I figured it was about time that we got one of their products in to really see what their creation is all about. As in my previous Zellerfeld video, you are going to see their improved packaging. It's a really clean, beautiful box. It's got the Zellerfeld branding. You can see the step into the future. If you see on the other side, this is classic Zellerfeld. They are throwing in nuggets with a little bit of comedy inserted. And so you can see here at the bottom, sweatshop free, because these are all 3D printed. As soon as you open the box, you obviously get the classic Zellerfeld handwritten name card talking about their process and their product with some social handles and even a phone number if you want to reach out to them. We get the classic socks. Zellerfeld includes this in every single package because their socks don't stick as much to the inside of their 3D printed footwear. If you wear traditional branded Nike Crew socks as an example, they might snag a little bit more on the 3D printed material on the inside versus the Zellerfeld socks. But they give them to you for free. And now look at these crazy shoes. Holy shit. Now, if you're thinking to yourself, these look massive, it's because they really do. And they are massive, and they feel massive, and their proportions are gigantic. But let me pause right there. There's something really interesting and beautiful about them. They don't have to be for everybody. They're not intended to be for everybody. But keep your negative comments to the side because they are a true spectacle. As with all Zellerfeld's updated printing technologies and materials, they've learned to stack the way that this is printed to have different firmnesses and even like a mesh structure on different parts of the shoe. So you can see on the sole unit, it's way more structured than it is up here. This is completely squishy and soft, the upper portion. So when it's around your foot, around your ankle, it does not cut into you. It does not provide you harm. It's fully flexible up top. The bottom is way more rigid. Just to show you how crazy these proportions are, I'm going to put them right next to another sneaker. Both of these are in size 11. Look at that difference. One looks tiny compared to the other, but they both fit my foot exactly the same. I mean, from the top down view, it is night and day difference. Okay, so we have the futuristic design language, we have the futuristic materials, it's 3D printed, it's soft, it's flexible, it's cushiony, but how does it function on foot? Look at how different my foot is compared to the actual shoe. It actually flexes with you as you step to make sure that it contours with the ground if it's uneven. Hats off to Studio Xose for creating something completely different and something so unique and discussion worthy. I think there is a place in the industry for something like this exploration, raw creativity. Just curious what you guys think.